na si Maring Shan at nanonood kayo ng
Hoy Mare!
So for today's episode, nakareceive kami ng sulat from our production team na si Maring Charis. So tara, Maring Charis, pakinggan natin ang kanyang storya. Hi, Maring Charis.
Hi!
So, kwento mo naman yung tungkol sa'yo. Ano ba yung hinanakit mo dyan at ba't gusto mong sumama sa aming show?
Kasi Mare, born akong lalaking naalala. Tinanong ako sa bro, but tinawag ako nasty kasi iniwan ko siya.
Bakit mo naman siya kasi iniwan? Ano ba ang kwento at ba't mo iniwan yung nag-ask sa'yo for prom?
Kasi hindi ko siya type.
And then?
Ano ba akong gusto?
Ganun. Paano put it? Like, as in, parang you feel forced ba to answer or you just like feel pressured?
Like, para siyang bata na hindi college. Oh, what is his personality like? Isip bata.
Oh, okay. Isip bata. Pero ang tanong, ilang taon na ba yung nag-ano sa'yo? Nag-ask sa'yo for prom?
Hindi ko din alam eh.
You don't know?
Kasi alam ko, scam niya ako sa ito.
Oh.
You know, if I were you, I'd block him and get a restraining order.
So, ayan, thank you Maring Charis sa pag-share ng kwento mo sa aming show. And we're very thankful dahil you feel comfortable sharing it with us. So,
It was really nice getting to talk to you.
yeah. So, yeah, I think it's time to say goodbye. See you later. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye, guys. Let us know if you've experienced something like this.
Kaya ako ay Mare, stay tuned for more tutorials.
Bye!
Hi, Mare!
Welcome back to another episode.
But before we start our chika for today, let us introduce ourselves first.
Ako si Maring Charlotte.
At ako naman si Maring Shan at
At
nanonood
nanonood
kayo
kayo
ng
ng
Hoy
Hoy
Mare!
Mare!
So, for this episode, nagbabalik ang one of our production member na si Maring Charis. So, ayan, halika Maring Charis! Hi! Upo ka dito, Mare. So, bakit gusto mo bumalik sa aming show at ano ang gusto mo ikwento sa amin?
Kasi mga Mari, meron akong jowa. Parang kasing awkward yung relation namin. Walang pansinan.
As in, walang pansin, no communication talaga, like none, zero.
Yeah, hindi kami nag-usap, text or chat, like how boyfriend and girlfriend should do. Is there something that happened that caused that? Baka yung nangyari sa prom sa unang episode ng Hoy Mare.
Oh,
Was he there? Yeah. He was actually there with my little sister.
Oh! Okay, I get it now. So, pero katagal na yun, di ba? Bakit hanggang ngayon, sa tingin mo, bakit ayun yung reason kung bakit hindi kayo nagka-communicate? Like, I know it's like a long time ago, but
I think it's because matagal na silang magkaibigan nang nakasaya ko sa prom and I'm the one who ruined it. So hindi na sila nagkapansinan because of me.
and you think kaya siya parang hindi kanya kinakausap, parang nasira yung friendship nila?
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about the situation?
Kasi first time lang din namin naging kami. Kasi magkaibigan kami noon. Now, kami na.
Oh, gano'n. Parang kinikilig ka, Mare, pero ayan. So, I feel like maybe naninibago pa siya or parang, syempre, ano na, di ba? Syempre gusto ka niya siguro as a, nung friend pa kayo. And naging kayo. So maybe he's like a little shy, pero I think it will take time or maybe dadating yung araw na magiging siya, showy or like, you know, comfortable enough to show his like feelings. Baka nahihiya lang siya for now. Pero I think he likes it.
I think so too. Okay, how about trying to talk to both of them and getting them to communicate. I hope you fix this stuff. And anyways, it was a really good thing to talk to you again.
Thanks for coming. See you around. Bye. Bye, kumaring Trace.
So our advice for today is to really just communicate with your loved ones.
Yeah, cause like, sometimes hindi natin alam kung ano mafe-feel nila. Like, okay, we can be like, sige, sabihin natin, ano ka, nahihiya ka, or to like express your feelings to someone you love. Okay. Pero, what if yung love, yung mahal mo, hindi, parang, ang akala niya, nawawala ka ng feelings kasi you don't communicate your feelings that much. Kaya, I think it's best, or even like, try your best to communicate and express your feelings to that person.
Yeah, guys. Let us know if you've experienced something like this.
Kaya, hoy mare, stay tuned for more chicken updates.
And always remember,
Communication is always the key.
Bye!
Bye!
Hoy, Mare.
Dilitin ko lang sinabi. Wait lang.
Hoy, Mare. Hello. Ulit.
Okay na rin, cut na lang natin.
So, for
Ano ba yung hinanakit mo dyan at ba't gusto mong sumama sa aming show?
kasi Mare.
Si bakla naman, oh.
Let us know if you've experienced something like this.
Kaya, hoy mare, stay tuned for more chika updates. Doon ka lang madaan din ako.
Sige.
Ay, bakla ka. Sumasama ka sa akin. Gaga, after natin sabihin yun.
Ah, doon ako maglalakad.
Yeah. Sabi ko, stay tuned.
Magandang bloopers to.
Stay tuned for another
Uy,
chika.
let us know if you experience something like this. So, ang ating guest for today ay nagbabalik. Ay, ay, tas sige, cut mo yan.
Kasi mga Mare, meron akong jowa. Hindi siya marunong. Ano ko sasabihin?
Ano ba? For today's episode, nagbabalik ang one of our member na si Kumaring Charis. So, welcome Kumaring Charis. So, yan. Ako ka. So, bakit gusto mong bumalik sa aming show? Anong gusto mong i-share this time with us?
Kasi mga Mare, meron kasi akong jowa at hindi siya marunong makipag-communicate. Anong dapat kong gawin?
Ah, nonchalant ata ang kanyang boyfriend. So, ang aming masasabi ay Maring Chella. Siguro baka mahihain lang talaga siya.
Ba't ikaw?
Ganon.
Siya kasi.
I think you need to
Siya yung
take some-
magkikwento. Kung
Hindi,
ano.
Boyfriend niya.
Hindi nga nagkaklamo.
Boyfriend mo? Bakit ikaw utang? Wala pa. Ikaw.
Let us know if you've experienced.
Sige.
Let us know if you've experienced something like this.
Kaya hoy mare, stay tuned for more chika updates.
And always remember that
Communication is always the key.
Let us know if you've experienced something like this.
Kaya hoy mare, stay tuned for more chika updates.
And always remember that
Communication is always the key. Oy girl.